Hello guys, welcome back to Please Unbox Tech. Today I will be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Just I'm gonna show you the unboxing experience, and that's gonna be it for this video. My following videos will be checking out the features of the phone and comparing it with my Samsung Note 20 Ultra, which I'm coming from. So let's unbox it. We'll have to peel this out, right? Woo. Man, the phone looks beautiful. It's super subjective. Man, this phone looks beautiful. It's super subjective, but I think I do like this one more than my Samsung phone. And I actually had to choose before the S22 Ultra, and I went with the iPhone just because I've been like the last almost 10 years, I guess, I've been a Note user. So I was holding S22 Ultra and it looked almost the same as my Note 20 Ultra. So I was like, yeah, why having the same phone? So I decided to go for iPhone. At this stage of my life, I just want simplicity. So let's check it out. Let's take it out of the box. Oh man, this looks beautiful. The quality is really cool. Alright, so nothing to peel off here. Right here you have to peel this off. Oh, it's really cool. Do they give you a... Is this a screen protector? Yeah, this might be a screen protector. I didn't know they included that. This is not screen protector. I was thinking Apple is not going to give you anything for free, that's for sure. So I don't want to scratch that. I will be buying a phone case and a screen protector, so stay tuned for that one. That's gonna be one of my next videos. Let's put this on this side. Let's see what's included. Nothing actually. Apple is not including anything anymore, like just a cable. That's it. So guys, you'll be paying a lot of money and you get a cable. I don't really buy that sustainability goals of Apple. They just being greedy, to be honest. So let's get into it. Yeah man, phone looks great. It looks the phone looks great, looks beautiful. I love this glass going on here, the texture of it. Yeah, this looks great. There is no scratches, nothing. Because my fear always is to get a refurbished thing without you knowing it. That's my biggest fear when buying such items. Box for premium, but yeah, well, we don't do anything with it. Let's see in the booklet what's included. Yeah, your pin, your ejection for your SIM card, Apple stuff, and a sticker, right? That's it. Nothing in here. Can you see? Nothing in here and nothing in here. That's it, guys. The phone looks solid. I will go and start it up and set it up, and on the next videos I will let you know my experiences with it, and even for switching from Android to iPhone. To be honest, it's not a big of a chance because my main unit was the Note 20 Ultra, and I had an iPhone for work, so I am not too shocked about the change. So it's gonna be more of a simple experience, I guess. I do think that the features that make the Note 20 Ultra, or any Note or an phone that comes from a Note like the S22 Ultra, is actually the features are like way more rich than with the iPhone. But again, in this stage of my life, I'm just looking for simplicity. So you might not get I might not get the features, but I was really hoping to get a good battery life with my work phone I got that, and with the Note 20 Ultra it was quite bad. I did my research online, and the S22 Ultra has that ability to learn your usage in order to adapt the battery to be able to prolong the battery life. But a lot of people weren't buying into it, and the real use case or the real experience wasn't that good. So I was looking for the best battery life, to be honest. And at this stage of my life, again guys, I'm looking for simplicity. So stay tuned for the next videos featuring all that you need when you buy your iPhone 13 or 13 Pro Max or 13 Pro, like a screen protector, a case, and I don't know, maybe MagSafe accessories. I have not done my research really well into the MagSafe thing, so yeah, stay tuned for that one. See you on the next time on Please Unbox Tech. Bye.